Music coming your way right here on LouisianaIndieRadio.com. Representing the Lake City, here it is, Lindsay Papillon with Let Me Get That Up Out Ya on LA On Air.
No time to wait for reparations. LP is the world's new sensation. I see what's mine, so now I'm taking. I'm about to perform a demonstration. Now I'm rocking shows and stunting on. No free t-shirts or free downloads. Look inside, ships keep on faking. I demand that bread, cheese, and bacon. Let me get that about ya. Let me get that about ya. About ya. Let me get that about ya. I am the great one, that's no faking. I allow my light and fly Jamaican. Yeah, man. Airlines and hairlines be heartbreaking. Go ahead and smile, the whole world's waiting. Now I got my dough, let's start the show. All pretty, the front row. Look inside, ships keep on faking. I demand that bread, cheese, and bacon. Let me get that about ya. Let me get that about ya. About ya. Let me get that about ya. Yeah. Let me get that about ya. About ya.
The amount tendered for my verbal services rendered has entered me into an income bracket not seen by most black kids. Your melanin is a miracle waiting to happen, and only you can activate it, whether you're studying or trapping. So let me get that about you. Shout out.
Let me get that up out of you. Let me get that up out. Let me get that up out. Let me get that up out. Let me get that up out of you. Let me get that up out. Let me get that up out. Let me get that up out. Let me get that up out of you.
That was Lindsay Papillon representing the Lake City with Let Me Get That Up Out Ya. LA On Air, Bray J and Kimberly here with you.
Hey.
So Kimberly was nice enough to go with me to see the local production, the musical Jesus Christ Superstar.
Yeah, it was great. It was very touching at times, and great performers, great music. It was put together well, and there were some amazing vocalists that performed. It was just wonderful, and I'm very glad that I got to go.
I wish it could have been more than just 2 nights, but unfortunately, sometimes that's the way the cookie crumbles.
Yeah, and you have to think that that's kind of difficult for those performers too.
Right.
So, yeah, if you missed it, that sucks. You should have made it.
Well, I have the playbill here, so we're gonna look at this. Mentioning some of the names, Jesus Christ, I got to interview him.
Yeah.
Felt pretty honored.
I got to take pictures.
Yes, thank you for that.
You're so welcome.
Exclusive interview with the man himself, played by Gabi Fountainot, and great job, truly.
Yeah, he did wonderful.
And I think I've seen him before, but upon meeting him and doing the interview, getting to know him. It was really awesome. Ain't he a great guy?
Oh yeah, he was amazing.
And another person that caught my ear, Tony James.
Tony James.
Now, no stranger, and you aren't as well, either. We heard him before. We heard his music. But seeing him on stage, I mean, belted.
He rocked it. He rocked it.
Definitely.
It was just great.
Great job. And we also got to talk to him as well. And, of course, last but certainly not least, the man with the plan. The guy who really made it all happen. The director, Mr. Keith Chamberlain. Yes. And it was amazing because we talked to him before the show. Everyone else, we interviewed them afterward. And just to see, you saw that little twinkle in his eye. Like you knew this was magical for him.
He was really excited. That was his baby, he said.
Yes, his dream. He said probably over 2 decades he had been wanting to do something, like that. Do something with Jesus Christ Superstar. Since he saw it the last time it was performed here in the Lake City. And that's been over 2 decades. So,
wow.
Huge moment for him. Very honored to have met him. Kimberly, thank you so much for going with me. Shout out to the Itinerant Theater out of Lake Charles. They really did a great job. And you can look them up on Facebook, Itinerant Theater Incorporated. And can't wait to see what else they bring to our area. Joy Pace, Carolyn Woolsey, everyone on their team, truly, great job. Great job.
Yeah.
And to all the other performers,
I really got to give a shout out to who played Mary Magdalene, Haley Smith.
I took class with her, yeah.
I was so I just really loved her performance. She really moved me. She was very convincing, and her vocals were just amazing. I really enjoyed that.
And so many names. Wish we could mention them all, but shout out to all of them. Search for it. It's still on Facebook, Jesus Christ Superstar. If you're here in the Lake area, you'll see it. Again, looking forward to the next production that comes in to the Lake City. Looking forward to A Streetcar Named Desire, making mention of that one now. It's going to be performed, or it's being performed, I should say, at the Lake Charles Little Theater. So if you get the opportunity, be sure to check that out. And again, really, really awesome theater here in our city. For more information on that one, The Streetcar Named Desire, you can call them up, 337-433-7988, and you can get all the details on that one. I mean, it's amazing how much they do throughout the year.
So much talent here.
Right. A Streetcar Named Desire, right there. And if you have something going on in your area, let us know about it. Hashtag LA On Air. More music coming your way right now. How about we give them some white noise? Here it is, Stone Rabbits out of Baton Rouge. LA On Air.
But you decided to run away from me. I never asked for help from above, but you decided to discipline I needed. today, covered in red. I couldn't hear what you said. To my cool surprise, we locked eyes, and it was discipline I
There it is for you, White Noise by Stone Rabbits out of the capital city, Baton Rouge. All right, guys, Bray J, sadly having to say farewell for now.
Goodbye.
Unfortunately. As we wrap up another LA on Air for you, Kimberly, thank you so much.
You're so welcome. It was a pleasure to be here.
Truly, we're going to have you back on.
Yes, please do.
And again, we want to encourage you to dress warmly if you're here in our area or if it's cold where you are. Winter is upon us. It's coming in very quickly. And be sure to check out all this music that we have for you. We want to make sure we're promoting the artist, and we're doing a great job. Louisiana Indie Radio, you can listen to an even more diverse group of music. And it's going 24/7, 365 days out of the year. So a lot of options for you to listen.
Support local music.
All about it. Right here on LA on Air. Be sure to check out Consequence of Silence on Facebook.
And Reverb Nation.
On Reverb Nation as well. Yeah?
Yeah, reverbnation.com/COSLA.
Okay. Be sure to check out our next show. We're going to be sitting down with Orion and getting ready for their big show with Flamethrowers on November 27th at Obie's Bar and Grill right here in the Lake City. So make sure you clear out your schedule to be there for that. Shout out to all the musicians doing their thing across Louisiana, as well as those in the film, entertainment, art, all of it. We love it. That's what we're all about. LA on Air with Bray J. We'll see you again soon. We want to